I'm Charlotte Mensah. I live in Notting Hill. I'm from Hair Lounge Salon. I got into hairdressing at quite a young age without me even realising, because my mother passed away when I was young. My younger sister was 3 at the time, and it was just something that I did. I would just be the one to do her hair, and because she was only 3, she would be like, "Oh my God, that's so good, you're very good." So I thought I was amazing. And I went on the youth training scheme, YTS apprenticeship. And I also went to London College of Fashion, and I was trained by the first Afro salon in the UK called Splinters. I decided to form this charity, and I named it after my mum. My mum was called Love. I just thought it was such a powerful name to use for my charity. It was all about this trip that I did to Tanzania in 2010. And I remember this woman walked like 3 hours to get to the class because she just didn't have enough money to get on the transport. I was so touched, and I was like, wow, this woman really wants to learn. So I went back to my hotel room and I was sat down and I was thinking, I really need to do something. There's so many bits in my job that I like. First and foremost, I love people. From the old woman that's been coming to us from we opened the salon to going on shoots and working in these lovely creative teams. I think it's such an amazing job, hairdressing. There's so much you could do. I mean, I just can't believe where hairdressing has taken me in my life. My beginning was really tough, and when I look back now, I'm like, wow, hairdressing, I love you.